that nice? So the Opteron 1389 2.9 gigahertz CPU is installed, and there's our Be Quiet Pure Rock Slim 2, a modern gamer still on AIM4 motherboards even. Maybe in the new ones. There's our NVIDIA GT 710 to actually 1 gigabyte card, and our iTech Prodigy HD2 amazing hi-fi sound card. I could put even larger, beefier cooler if I wanted to, you see. This case is still ahead of its time, roomy. Night Tiny 6, believe that. Bye, guys.